At Banana Backpacks, we believe your everyday bag can be customizable to suit your unique lifestyle. That's why we created the Kiri collection. Using a magnetic back panel and a series of interchangeable kits, Kiri adapts to whatever adventures fill your life. Kiri also provides incredible accessibility and convenience to keep you organized and comfortable. At Banana Backpacks, we want to do more than help you explore your world. We want to help you leave it a better place. That's why every Kiri backpack provides essential school supplies to a child in the developing world. The name of a child you helped support is embroidered to the left strap of your bag, reflecting your unique impact. So make sure to sign up for the Kiri launch at bananabackpacks.com. We'll be giving you all the insight on Kiri, plus a first chance at an exclusive early bird deal.